Hello students, welcome to the chapter Relations and Functions. This is a lecture number 10. Students, we are discussing binary operation, the definition, some basic problems we completed in the last video. Let us continue the problems on binary operation. Determine whether or not star given below gives a binary operation. In the event that it is not a binary operation, give the justification for this. Number 1, these are the examples for 1 mark questions. On Z plus, define star by A star B is equal to A minus B. Students, here the set is Z plus, set of positive integers, and the operation is A star B is equal to A minus B. And check whether it is binary operation on this set or not. For A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. These are the two positive integers given by the operation A star B is equal to 2 minus 3, because I am writing A value 2, B value 3. So A minus B will be 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and definitely does not belongs to Z plus, set of positive integers. Therefore, this is not a binary operation on Z plus. So for 1 mark, just you write A equal to 2, B equal to 3 belongs to Z plus, and A star B is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 does not belongs to Z plus. Here two elements belongs to Z plus, but operation does not belongs to Z plus, and star is not a binary operation on Z plus. Next, on Z plus, define star by A star B equal to A into B. Again Z plus, let AB belongs to Z plus, A star B is equal to A into B. Dear students, definitely A into B is a unique element and that belongs to Z plus. Multiplying two positive numbers is a positive number. Therefore, A star B also belongs to Z plus. For every AB belongs to Z plus. This implies star is a binary operation on Z plus. On Z plus, define A star B is equal to A. And you know Z plus is the set. Let AB belongs to Z plus. A star B is equal to A is also a unique element of Z plus. Therefore, this is binary operation on Z plus. Next example on the same concept. On R, define star by A star B equal to AB square. Check whether it is binary operation or not. Solution. Let AB belongs to R. A star B equal to AB square is also a unique element of set of real numbers. For every AB belongs to R. Therefore, star is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. Show that star from R cross R to R given by A star B equal to minimum of A comma B is a binary operation. Let AB belongs to R. We are taking the solution. AB belongs to R. A star B is equal to minimum of AB is a unique element of R. For every AB belongs to R. Definitely minimum of A and B gives us a unique element. Therefore, this is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. 1 mark question, students. Is a star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by A star B equal to LCM of A and B is a binary operation? Justify your answer. Solution. For A equal to 4, B equal to 5, 4 star 5 is equal to LCM of 4 comma 5. What is the LCM of 4 comma 5? Definitely 20. That 20 does not belongs to the given set. What is the given set we have? I have taken it as A, but A is what here? The given set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. That does not belongs to the set A. You can observe there is no 20 in this set. Therefore, elements belongs to the set, but operation does not belongs to the set. Hence, this is not a binary operation. Star B operation on N given by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. Is a star a binary operation? Find 5 star 7, 20 star 16. First we will check whether it is binary operation or not. Dear students, we have the set of natural numbers because the star is the operation on the n natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 counting numbers. Let AB belongs to n. A star B is equal to LCM of AB. Definitely LCM of two natural numbers, we get a unique element of natural number only. Therefore, this is a binary operation on n. So let me take two elements 5 star 7 because the question is find 5 star 7. So now we will find 5 star 7. So 5 star 7 is equal to LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35. Answer for 5 star 7 is 35. Remember 20 star 16, LCM of 20 and 16 gives us 80. So this is the answer for 20 star 16. These are very important for just 1 mark question, students. Give an example to show that on Z or I, the operation star defined by A star B equal to A raised to B is not binary operation. Dear students, this is not binary operation, but we should give an example why it is not binary operation. Solution: for the element A equal to 0 and the element B equal to 0, then operation 0 star 0, definitely 0 raised to 0 because A raised to B is the operation. So definitely it not belongs to the integers. Therefore, A star B is equal to A raised to B is not a binary operation because of this reason. Or one more example I can give you. For A equal to 2 and B equal to minus 1. So A star B, now 2 star minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to minus 1 and it is equal to 1 by 2. And it does not belongs to integer. Fractions does not belongs to integer. Therefore, fractions does not belongs to integers. Therefore, this is not binary operation. In the exam, either you give the first example or the second example, students, not both. On R minus the set minus 1, define star by A star B equal to A upon B plus 1. Is a star a binary operation? 1 mark question. We have A is equal to minus 1 by 2 and B also minus 1 by 2. So A star B equal to minus 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. I am substituting A B value in the operation. So if you simplify, we get minus 1. So this minus 1 does not belongs to R minus of minus 1 because R minus of minus 1 is nothing but real numbers except minus 1. But we are getting minus 1 only. Therefore, R minus of minus 1. Minus 1 does not consisting. Minus 1 does not belongs to R minus of minus 1. Therefore, A star B is not there in the set. Hence, star is not binary operation. Hope you all understood some more basic questions of binary operation in this video. If not, you can watch it again, students. Thank you. We will meet in the next video with some more concepts of binary operation.